नवति पृष्ठः चतुर्विंशति पाठः संशयात्मा विनश्यति संशयात्मा a doubtful mind will perish विनश्यति perishes अस्मिन् पाठे उपसर्गाः पाठ्यन्ते उपसर्गाः these are almost in English we call it prepositions उपसर्गाः पाठ्यन्ते अत्र पश्यत उच्चैः पठत च see here and read aloud भीष्मः गच्छति भीष्मा goes कुन्ती आगच्छति कृष्णः धावति कालयवनः अनुधावति गच्छति goes आगच्छति comes a is the upasarga added to prefixed to the verb gacchati by that the meaning is totally changed gacchati is going agacchati coming krishnah dhavati krishna runs kalayavanaha anudhavati he chases anudhavati is chasing anu upasarga asti a plus gacchati agacchati comes dhavati runs anudhavati chases भीष्मः गंगां दृष्ट्वा आगच्छति एकलव्यः द्रोणाचार्यं प्रणमति नमति is bowing namaskaram pranamati is sashtanga namaskaram pranamati with most respect krishnasya bhaktaah na pranashyanti nashyanti pranashyanti it indicates some force in that nashyati means destroyed pranashyati very seriously destroyed arjunasya mukham parishusyati shushyati parishusyati shushyati is drying dry mukham parishusyati parishusyati is totally drying up कामात् क्रोधः अभिजायते जायते अभिजायते अभि is उपसर्ग आत्मा प्रसादम अधिगच्छति गच्छति is going अधिगच्छति means acquiring आत्मा प्रसादम अधिगच्छति peace आत्मा gets peace acquires संशयात्मा विनश्यति नश्यति विनश्यति वी इज उपसर्ग भगवान् वर्षं निगृह्णाति उत्सृजति च भगवान् वर्षं निगृह्णाति उत्सृज्यति गृह्णाति निगृह्णाति गृह्णाति इज टेकिंग निगृह्णाति इज आल्सो टेकिंग बट some stress is there srujati is creates utsrujati leaving bhagavan varsham utsrujati he leaves the rain manushyaः कार्याणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिम् अवाप्स्यति आप्स्यति अवाप्स्यति कर्मयोगी विशिष्यते शिष्यते means remaining balance something. Visishyate means he is special. Karma yogi visishyate. He is special in himself, not mingling with ordinary people. Yoginaha yajnam paryupasate. Yoginaha yajnam paryupasate. Upasate, paryupasate. Pari is added here as upasarga.
Upasate is saving.
Upasate means save, serve. Serving. Paryupasate means serving only. Yajnam paryupasate, to do with great respect. Swabhavaha tu pravartate. Vartate, pravartate. Vartate means asti. It is there. Pravartate means to do. Swabhavaha tu pravartate, exist. Jagat viparivartate. Vartate, parivartate, viparivartate. Vartate is verb, parivartate is, pari is upasarga, and another upasarga viparivartate.
What is the meaning?
Vartate is living, it is. Parivartate changes. Viparivartate visheshena parivartate. Especially it is changing.
Jagat visheshena parivartate.
Karyani atmavantam na nibadhananti. Badhananti means binding. Nibadhananti also binding only, but with special stress is given to badhananti, bind. Karyani atmavantam na nibadhananti. The works that are allotted to a person, sincere person, atmavantam means who feels himself as a responsible person, for him the works will not bind him. Vivaswan yogam manave praha. Aha tells, praha with force telling. Some stress on telling. Vimudhaha jivatmanam na anupasyanti.
1 second. 15th or meaning in that? What is the full meaning of that sentence?
Vivaswan Suryaha, Vivaswan. Suryaha yogam manave paha. Manu, one of the creators, Manu Chakravarti. Suryan, he told yoga to Manu. Manu told Ikshvaku. Like Bhagavad Gita, there is slokam. Vimudhaha jivatmanam na anupasyanti. Pasyanti, they are seeing. Anupasyanti, they are looking after that. Anudhavati, chase. Dhavati, anudhavati. Pasyati, anupasyati. Vimudhaha, foolish people. Jivatmanam na anupasyanti. They will not look into that they are Atmaswarupas. Panditaha Sankhya Yogau Pruthak na Pravadanti. Vadanti means telling. Pravadanti, bodhinchatam, to teach. Panditaha Sankhya Yogau, Sankhyam Yogam, Pruthak na Pravadanti. Dvivachanam, Sankhya Yogau. Sankhya Jnana, Yoga Karma, Karma Yogam. Sankhya Yogam, Karma Yogam, Sankhya Yogau. Pruthak na Pravadanti. They are different. Ani Chaparu. They don't tell. Pruthak means different. Vibhuhu kasyachit papam na adatte. Datte adatte. అదే పనిగా తెచ్చి ఇవ్వడు. ఆదత్తే. He will not, God will not bring the sins onto you. The sin comes to you by yourself. By committing something wrong, you will get. God will not get, you take this, you won't give. It is yourself only doing it. उच्चैः पठता जानीत च. उपसर्गः धातुः क्रियापदम् उपसर्गसहितं क्रियापदम्. आ is upasarga. Gam dhatu gacchati goes. Agacchati comes. By adding a, the meaning is changed totally, opposite meaning. A upasarga ni dhatuhu. Kriyapadam nayati. Anayati. Nayati to take. Anayati to bring. Ut upasargah stha dhatuhu. Kriyapadam tishtati. For this dhatu stha, tishtati. By adding this upasarga, uttishtati. Tishtati means he is standing. Uttishtati ut. Uttishtati means the man who is sitting, he gets up. Uttishtati. Opposite meaning. Anu upasarga shru dhatuhu. Sarati kriyapadam. Sarati means to slip. Anusarati. Anusarati is to follow. Anusarati. Anu upasarga vada. Vad to tell. Vadati tells. Anuvadati to repeat. Anu upasarga dha. Dhavati run. Runs. Anudhavati to chase. Anu upasarga kru dhatuhu karoti kriyapadam. Karoti. Anukaroti. Karoti means to do. Anukaroti to copy. What he does, you also do. That is anukaroti. Vi upasarga likh dhatuhu likhati kriyapadam. Vilikhati. Writing very well. Vilikhati. Likhati is writing. Vilikhati means very beautifully writing. Right. Vi upasarga hru dhatuhu harati to take away, to snatch. Viharati means to roam about, to walk in the garden or for spending time. Vi upasarga smru dhatuhu smarati kriyapadam. Smarati remember. Vismarati to forget. Ni upasarga chip dhatuhu chipati kriyapadam. Nikshipati. Shipati means throw. Nikshipati means to keep, to place. Pra dhatuhu khru. Pra upasarga khru dhatuhu harati. Praharati to beat. Pra upasarga chal dhatuhu chalayati to wash. Prakshalayati to wash very neatly. Well to do. Right, stop it.